Everything you use in the mobile app is backed by master data in the web portal. The facility module lists every plant, warehouse, and production area across your organization. The equipment module maintains a registry of every tagged asset, including its serial number, parent product, assigned facility, and current status. The product module contains your complete catalog of SKUs and packaging types. Every action performed in the mobile app is recorded here in the web portal, giving you a complete audit trail. The facility-wise scan report shows every RFID or QR code scan by location. It includes the asset details, scan time, the user who performed the scan, and the verification status, making it easy to verify inventory, identify missing or misplaced items, and maintain an accurate record for each location. The location-wise report shows dispatch and receiving records side by side for every shipment. You can compare the product, quantity, and scanned count at dispatch with the scanned count received at the destination, helping you verify that every transfer is complete and accurate. The portal also provides dedicated exports for SAP and completed dispatch records, making it easy to integrate inventory data with your existing business systems. The location-wise inquiry report summarizes every stock check by location. It shows the total assets in each facility, verified assets, missing assets, and any additional assets found at that location, helping management analyze inventory across facilities and prioritize follow-up where needed. The inquiry summary report provides the same information in a consolidated view across all locations. It also includes an asset verification export for more detailed analysis. All reports can be exported directly to Excel or PDF. Between the mobile app on the production floor and the web portal in the office, you get a complete tamper-proof record of every product from the moment it's registered until it leaves your facility. That's the complete DreamzCMMS RFID platform from end to end. If you'd like to see it in action with your own team, we'd be happy to schedule a live demonstration. Thanks for watching.